Hello and welcome to the channel. Want to remember everything you read and learn? So this video is for you. When it comes to reading, one of the biggest struggles we face is retaining the information we consume. Whether it is a best-selling novel, a textbook or a thought-provoking article, it's easy to get to the end and wonder what we just read. But what if I told you there are techniques to help you remember everything you read and even more to actually retain that information for the long haul? We all have been there sitting in class trying to absorb every word the professor is saying, only to find ourselves zoning out mid-sentence, or curled up with a good book only to realize we have read the same paragraph 3 times and still have no idea what it is saying. It is frustrating and it is a struggle that can really impact our learning and productivity. When we can't retain the information we are reading, it's like trying to build a house on shaky ground. It is just not going to last, and that is exactly why it is so important to develop effective strategies for reading retention. The reality is our brains are wired to forget, and it's up to us to take control of our learning and develop habits that help us retain information. One of the most effective techniques I have found is visualization. When you visualize the concepts you are reading about, you are creating a mental picture that is much harder to forget. For example, if you are reading about a historical event, try to imagine the scene unfolding before your eyes. The setting, the characters, the emotions. This helps to make the information more tangible and memory. Another technique I use is summarization. After finishing a chapter or article, take a minute to summarize the main points in your own words. This helps to clarify your understanding and solidify the information in your mind. Mnemonic devices are another powerful tool in your memory toolbox. By associating new information with something you already know, you are creating a mental connection that is hard to break. For instance, if you are trying to remember a list of items, try creating a story that incorporates each item. The more ridiculous, the better. The point is to make it memorable and to have fun with it. These techniques may seem simple, but trust me, they are game changers. And the best part, they can be applied to any type of reading material, from fiction to non-fiction and even online articles. I want to share a personal story that illustrates just how effective these techniques can be. I was preparing for a big exam in college, and I knew I needed to retain a ton of information if I wanted to do well. So I started using visualization and summarization techniques to help me remember key concepts. And guess what? I aced that exam. It was a huge confidence booster, and it showed me the power of proactive learning. One technique that I find particularly powerful is called the main idea sentence. It's exactly what it sounds like. You take the main idea of a chapter or article and distill it down to a single sentence. This helps to cut through the noise and get to the heart of the matter. I have found that this technique is especially helpful when you are reading dense or complex material. In addition to these techniques, I also want to emphasize the importance of active recall. This means actively trying to remember the information you have read rather than simply reading it. So, test yourself, quiz yourself on the material, or try to recall it from memory without looking at the original text. This helps to strengthen your mental muscles and solidify the information in your long-term memory. So there you have it. These are just a few of the mind-blowing tricks I use to remember everything I read. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you can say goodbye to frustrating memory lapses and hello to retaining the information you need to succeed. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you have any favorite memory techniques, be sure to share them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more learning strategies and productive tips. Happy reading!